Mountains, southern Jackson and Transylvania, and the following areas in South Carolina.
Oh, no wonder I told the wrong channel.
Cherokee, Greater Greenville, Greater Oconee, Greater Pickens, Greenville Mountains, Greenwood, Lawrence, Oconee Mountains, Pickens Mountains, Spartanburg, and Union. High wind warning in effect from 8 a.m. Monday to 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued
a high wind warning,
which is in effect from 8 a.m. Monday to 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect.
Very rare.
Northeast Georgia, the western upstate of South Carolina, and the southern mountains of North Carolina.
Oh, that's
Hazards. Strong winds will combine with increasingly saturated soils to bring down trees and possibly power lines. Timing. Winds will increase Monday morning, becoming strong by afternoon. The strong winds will continue into the evening. Winds, northeast 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Impacts. Strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Please report damaging winds by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-800-267-8101. Leave a message with your observation and the specific location where it occurred. You can also post your report to National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg Facebook or tweet your report using hashtag NWSGSP.
wow. Doubleheader. Gosh, that's sweet.
Here is a flood statement. Flash flood watch in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday morning. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of western North Carolina and upstate South Carolina, including the following areas in western North Carolina.
I ain't change it,
McDowell Mountains,
because this is not my channel.
Rutherford Mountains, southern Jackson, and Transylvania. In upstate South Carolina, Oconee Mountains. From Monday morning through Tuesday morning, showers associated with the outer rain bands of them move in from the south on Monday. Rainfall intensity will be enhanced along the
Sweet.
but due to very strong east to southeast winds above the surface. Rainfall amounts of 3 to 4 inches, with local amounts as high as 6 inches will be possible by the time the rainfall rates taper off early Tuesday morning. This could be enough for flash flooding to develop. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding.
Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts.
And be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Any more?
Now for the
Nope.
official National Weather Service forecast for the southern mountains of North Carolina, including the Smokies.
Sweet.
This afternoon, mostly sunny. Near steady temperatures in the mid-60s. East winds
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.